Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I wanted to share with you today this little mini album that I just recently finished. I had started it at a crop the beginning of this month, and then I just kind of worked on it here and there and finished it up this weekend. So I wanted to take a minute and show it to you and share it. And then at the same time, I wanted to just show you what paper line I used, paper collection. Of course, I've used a lot of the paper, but I still have quite a bit left. This is Merry Christmas by Carta, and it's designed by Stephen Duncan. And some of you may not know this, but Stephen Duncan actually used to design for October Afternoon, and so now he's designing for Carta, and this collection really does have that October Afternoon feel to it because it's very vintagey and retro, and I totally loved it a lot. So I'm going to go through the book now and just kind of walk you through what I did. So here it is. It is a 5.5 by 5.5 square, and then the spine is 2.5 inches, and it's pretty thick, I would say, but there's still plenty of room for pictures inside. So the front is decorated with some paper from the collection, and then this is just a 3x4 card, cut apart card. I had a hard time wanting to cover up this, but I did it anyway, and a lot of the papers are very busy, which I like, but it doesn't necessarily lend to a cover. But I did it anyway, and I loved it. And this is, like I said, is a cut apart. Then I took one of the, scrap pieces of paper and created this banner with both these two designs. There's a little bit of lace behind this banner here, or yeah, I guess you'd call it banner or tag. And then I took some pearls and adhered them to some of the little snowballs. And then this was a sticker from the collection that I matted on red cardstock and then cut it, just fussy cut around it, not cutted. The red paper here is also from Carta. It's the Carta cardstock. So it's very pretty, very nice. Sometimes I have a hard time getting adhesive to stick to it, but I used a different adhesive than I did last time. So hopefully nothing comes apart on this one. It doesn't look like it so far. The spine is just a piece from the collection, and you can kind of see it says Jingle Bells Through the Snow, And then I took some little rhinestones, crystals, and put them at the bottom, same as here on the front. And then the back is just the plain red and white like snowballs. It's very pretty. It's this is actually the first book I've done with a red cover, and I really kind of like it. So I used a Stack the Deck hinge, and so that's how I affixed all my pages. There are 5 pages in all. This first page is there's a little magnet closure here and a sticker from, oh no, this is not a sticker, this is one of the die cuts. It says Santa Claus is coming to town, and then you open that up and there's a flap here where I can put a picture on the back, and then there's a second flap and I can put another picture on either side here. And then for the backdrop, I decided I didn't want to really put a picture back here. I wanted to have just decorative. So I have some stickers here from the collection, and this is also a sticker saying the most wonderful time of the year. And you can see already the little retro Santas and things like that. And I absolutely love this candy cane print. And I think I could use probably a whole pack of paper just in that candy cane print. It's just so pretty. So for the first page, I have a pocket, and the pocket has a place for a photo mat. I can also put something back here if I want some memorabilia. And then here is some of the paper from the collection with the little old-fashioned cars with the Christmas trees on top. And then this is a die cut that I just backed on red paper and glued it there. adhered it there, and we're going to stick that there. Inside each page is a pullout, and the pullout will house another picture. If I want to cover up the paper, I can, but I don't know that I want to do that. So the back of the first page and the front of the second page, this is what I call a picture frame, place for photo, and then a little sticker from the collection here. And then on this side, I had a hard time covering up this sheet of paper also. That was my main difficulty with this collection is, as I said, everything's kind of busy, but at the same time, I just really hated to cover it up. But I put a little sticker here, says holiday cheer, or that might be a die cut, I can't really tell. And then I took a string of green rhinestones here and put them at the bottom. And the insert has the holly. And I used the candy cane pattern to create the pull tabs, and that is a Stampin' Up! Pull tab. It's no longer available. You can find it on eBay sometimes, but it'll cost you. So the next page I have on the back here, a belly band using that same beautiful candy cane print, and then it has an ornament backdrop with, it looks kind of like a Christmas tree with ornaments. And then these presents here are stickers from the collection. And then I just added a couple of enamel dots there. They're kind of glittery. And then I took one of the 3x4 cards and created a photo opportunity, and it just tucks right in there. So on the opposing side, I created a corner pocket with that red paper with the white snowballs, which is just, I love it. And then the Christmas trees from the collection here. It's one of the paper patterns. And then I have a 3x4 card with Santa on it, and it says Merry Christmas and a place for photo. And again, I put some of these little white pearls there in place of, the snowballs. And I have to say, this spread here is one of my favorites because I love the way it all coordinates together. I really like it a lot. And then the inside has the same polka dots or snowballs. This next page is a front pocket here, and I have a booklet that says "'Tis the Season" with some of the rhinestones at the top, and it has like an accordion fold. There's a picture of some people looking in at some jewelry, a couple places for photos or journaling, and then the back side just says "Oh, what fun" with Santa, and another place for a photo or journaling. And this just tucks right back into the pocket there. And then I did add a little ornament sticker here with a rhinestone. This collection is just so cute. It's so beautiful. Here's they had a large sheet of paper from the collection, and it was kind of like it looked like it was for a full spread, but I just cut off like the bottom corner or the top corner, I'm not sure which, and I put it here, and I just love that so much. Then this is a die cut that I adhered here, and a couple of rhinestone or a couple enamel dots that are glittery. I believe these might actually be Doodlebug. And then a little heart, a little bow sticker. And then the inside has a couple ice skating. So cute. That just tucks right back in there. And then this page has another one of my photo frames, and I took one of the stickers for the Christmas lights and backed it on white this time, and I added that just at the top, and it is open so I can stick a photo underneath there. Then I have like a little ribbon, but this is paper from the collection as well. And on the opposing side, I have another 3x4 card. This kit was filled with 3x4s, 4x6s, and then an assortment. So see, these are all the 3x4s. These are the 4x6s. There was also another page up here that was like the 25 days of Christmas. And then there was another page that had all different kinds of parts on it, but I don't see it here. And so it really had a lot. It'd be very good for cards. And with all the extras that I have left over, I probably will make some cards. So some of the snow, I put the little pearls on there as well. This page has all the snow globes on it. A little sticker here that says, "Oh, what fun." And then this is a sticker that I backed on the blue. The blue paper here is also Carta cardstock. You may remember I used some of that in my By the Sea mini book that I did. But this says "Believe," and it has Santa and the reindeer. And then this is the pullout for this. It's so cute. I just love this paper so much. So the back of the last page has another front pocket with, this is a die cut from the kit, and these are green rhinestones here at the bottom. And then this is one of those, one of the examples of the Christmas tree with the ornaments, the old-fashioned ornaments. Is beautiful. And I'll just tuck that right back in there. And then over here, I have a small waterfall, and it is magnetic, has a magnetic closure. I took I think this is a sticker from the collection of a snow globe with a city scene in here, and then an enamel dot down at the bottom. And it just opens up, and then I have just like 5 little waterfall pieces. So you can see it's just really, really cute. The paper is adorable. I backed the inside covers with the candy stripes, candy cane stripes. I have some mistletoe here and some holly. And it's a pretty significant book. I have to tuck those back in. And you can tell by the amount of space that's left between the pages, I can still fit a lot of pictures in here. And then if I have ephemera or anything for the holiday, I can also add that here as well. So this is my Merry Christmas album featuring the paper from Carta. And I love this. I wanted to hoard it, but I decided I have too much paper to hoard. So I'm trying to finish up some projects. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do that. Thank you.